Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to edit images in Adobe Firefly without using Photoshop. Adobe Firefly is a powerful yet user-friendly online image editing tool that allows you to make quick and easy edits to your images. So, let us get started. First, open Adobe Firefly website. And this is the home page of Firefly. Adobe Firefly has so many features like text to image, edit the image, text effect, 3D images, and many others. Now to edit the image, click on this option Generative Fill. And then upload your image. Like this. Now to remove the background, click on this background option. You can also replace the background with anything. So I'm going to add another background to my image. Like this. Now here we have a 4 option to choose. Choose any of this. And if you are not satisfied with it, click on More. Then choose your image. Now I'm going to replace this hat. For this, first of all, click on this Remove option. Then choose Brush Size. And start removing. Then click on Insert. And write anything which you want to add in replacement. And still if you are not satisfied with this, cancel this, and write it again. So here it is, my image is ready. Now to download the image, click on this download button. And hit continue. Let us open our image. So this is how we can edit our image in just a couple of clicks in Adobe Firefly. Thank you for watching this video. If found any valuable information in this video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Take care.